Hey everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Sakshi Gupta Yoga. I am Sakshi, and today we are practicing a simple neck mobility routine which is part of my everyday essentials. This routine is made up of some Sukshma Vyayam and similar exercises and really helpful in relieving neck pain, releasing tension from the neck and cervical region, and improving our neck mobility. If you have had any major neck injury or some problem, it would be safe to get a go ahead from your doctor first before starting any new exercise regime. Remember to be gentle with yourself, no sudden jerks or extra force is required for this practice. Let's begin. We will start with some warm up. Think of your nose as a pencil and start drawing mini circles with it. Five in one direction, five in the other, small circles, simply our active range of motion. Now fix your gaze right in front of you at one point so our chin is parallel to the ground. It's not pointing up or down but parallel to the ground. Now maintaining that, look over your right shoulder as far back as you can but without moving the shoulders. Back to center and move towards the left. It's like we are drawing semicircles with our chin. Look towards the right, look towards the left, right and left. One more right and left. Come back to center. Just check if your chin is still parallel and we will do some side flexion. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Come back to center, left ear to left shoulder. Back to center. Right and to left. Back to right and to left. One more right and left. Come back to center. Now make sure your shoulders are completely relaxed down and away from your ears, and we are going to move up and down. With an inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more. Inhale up. And exhale down. Now we'll do some shoulder circles. Bring your shoulders forward. Shoulder blades moving away from each other. Then up towards the ear. Move them back. Shoulder blades coming together. And then gently relax them down. Keep making the circles, 4 in one direction and 4 in the other. Now bring your arms in front of you, parallel to the ground. Bend your elbows, forearms coming up, perpendicular to the upper arm, and make sure the elbow and shoulder are in one line. Now imagine your forearms as a book. So we're gonna inhale and open the book. Exhale and close it. Inhale, open the book. Exhale, close the book. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Two more. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. One more. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. And relax. Now we are going to practice some chin tucks. Chin parallel to the ground, shoulders relax back. From there, move your chin back towards the throat, making a nice double chin. We're not pointing the chin down or up, we're just moving it back. Now release. Let's do that 4 more times. Tuck back, release. Tuck back, and release. Tuck your chin back, and release. One more. Tuck your chin back, and release. Now let's move on to some deep stretches. Bring your left arm to side, rotate it so the palm is facing backwards, and then bring it behind your back, fingers reaching the other side. Now put your right hand on the left shoulder so you can keep that shoulder down. Now tuck your chin back, and with that chin tuck, drop the right ear to your right shoulder. Let's stay there for 5 breaths. Remember, we are taking ear to shoulder and not shoulder to ear. 4, If you want to, you can put the right hand on the left side of your head, add a little extra weight and make it more intense. 2 and 1. From there, gently tip your head back and look up. You should feel the stretch on the left side of your throat in your scalene muscle. Try opening and closing the mouth a few times. Stay for 3 more breaths. 2 1. Relax and move back to the center. Now bring your chin to the right collarbone and look down as if looking in a pocket there. Grab the back of your head with your right hand a little from the side and gently pull the head down. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax back to the center. Now we'll be doing that on the other side. Rotate and bring your right arm behind your back. Put the left hand on the right shoulder to keep it down. Tuck your chin back and drop the left ear to left shoulder. Holding for 5 breaths. 4. If you want to, bring the left hand to the right side of your head and let it fall heavy there. 2 and 1. From there, tip your head back and look up. Open and close your mouth a few times and stay for 3 more breaths. 2 1. Come back to center. Bring your chin to left collarbone, look down. Bring your left hand to the back of your head and pull it down. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, come back. Now we're going to interlace our fingers behind our back and stretch and pull the arms back and down. Shoulders and chest opening nicely. And with that, ease your head back and look up. Stretching the throat for 5. Open your jaw. Close it. 4. Open your jaw wide and close. 3. Open the jaw wide and close. 2. Open and close. 1. Open and close. Come back to center. Now interlace your fingers behind your head, tuck your chin back and look down. Let your hands become heavy on your head to help gravity do its magic. Maybe try rolling your head side to side, easing out the kinks. That feels so nice. Stay there for 2 more breaths. And come up. This time, put your hands on your shoulders close to the sides of your neck, fingers back, and as you look up, press your fingers firmly into the muscles and slide them forward to the collarbone, massaging the tension out. Come back up again. Let's try it again. And relax. Now sub-occipital stretch. It's really helpful when you feel a headache coming, especially when that headache is at the back of your head. Tuck your chin back and press it back with your hand. Hold the back of your head with the other hand. Now we're going to put force into opposite directions. Push back with the hand on your chin and forward and little bit downward with the hand on your head. Stay for 3 breaths there. And relax. Now you can complete the practice with 4 big neck rolls in each direction. The best part about this routine is you can do it anytime and anywhere. Hope you found the video helpful and enjoyed the practice. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new yoga and wellness videos every week. Take care, keep loving yourself, and keep practicing.